morning, everybody. It is March 8th in our devotional, and this morning it says, choices have consequences. Galatians 6 verse 7 says, do not be deceived. God cannot be mocked. A man reaps what he sows. Proverbs chapter 29 verse 6, an evil man is ensnared in his transgressions, but a righteous man sings and rejoices. Proverbs chapter 18 verse 21, death and life are in the power of the tongue, and those who love it will eat its fruits. 1 Kings chapter 16 verse 19, for he too had done what was evil in the Lord's sight. He followed the example of Jeroboam in all the sins he had committed and led Israel to commit. Proverbs chapter 5 verse 22, an evil man is held captive by his own sins. They are ropes that catch and hold him. Job chapter 4 verse 8, my experience shows that those who plant trouble and cultivate evil will harvest the same. Matthew chapter 7 verse 13 and 14, enter through the narrow gate, for wide is the gate and broad is the road that leads to destruction, and many enter through it. But small is the gate and narrow is the road that leads to life, and only few find it. And that's true. At the bottom it says, every choice that you make has consequences, and with every consequence comes huge responsibilities. Without realizing it, men and women are mathematicians that calculate daily what the consequences of their decisions will be. The choice of only working and not spending time with family causes impaired relationships. The choice not to spend time with God results in a feeling of loneliness. Do your calculations and choose wisely. And you all know me. I'm a big believer in spending time with God, whether through prayer, through reading the Bible. You need to spend time with God every day. He loves you all. And that's all I have. That was our devotional for this morning. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. Link is in the description. Join me there. I'd love to have you there. We can message each other on there, communicate like we can't do that on here. But I love you guys, and as always, if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.